Want to type without typing? Let's set up Samsung voice input on your keyboard so you can just talk and your phone types for you. First, make sure the option show keyboard button on navigation bar is enabled in your setting. This will make the microphone icon appear at the bottom of the screen, either left or right, depending on where you place the button. Next, open any app where you can type, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap voice input. Here you will see three options. Samsung voice input. It lets you use Samsung speech to text with multiple languages. You can toggle which language you want available. Google voice typing. It uses Google speech recognition for dictation. And none to disable voice input. For example, let's pick Samsung voice input and then turn on the languages you want to use. To see how to use this feature, go back to your note. Now, when you are ready to speak instead of type, tap the microphone button on the navigation bar or touch and hold the spacebar if you have set that option to voice input. Then just start talking and your word will appear as text. And that's it. You have set Samsung voice input as your default. It's super handy when you want to type hands-free. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.